So for Sikano, finally, I hit the account of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obeka say no. Rebecca Chow say Kumasi Asante Kotoko main account there. It has been frozen, but club now a create alternative account. Sikabia Airco and Sikabia Eba Ebefem. Finally, Sikamiensa Abba Heti account. It's a piece of good news. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko former chairman Dr. KK Sarpong the big offer for the Ama club. A worthy of block and unti and I atna say ye bro. Hey, a free banny Accra House of Folk former player. No one sem kakra wa ha. Eric Bekwena Kasa following Kotoko. A capture player friend Kalu Outtara. And no one sem Nina ewa ha my body bede me bro super 24 TV no so me pacho ene your first time I ha no I hit the red subscribe button no I press the notification no betima follow your social media handle Facebook super 24 TV na ye build a family together sports ho inkita hudie enye nsawoso ye kan nsawoso amanfo mama omonsa so tutu blues enye gidigidi enye America too but asem no emu nchiremu no na isia ye de bro ewo efie hase. Now let me zoom straight into the issues ewo on board. Obeka said 2 weeks ago ye news be about World Cup money Kotoko player represented than lad $200,000 plus. She can finally adopt the new account Kotoko IMC no equity over $200,000 abetum. I can confirm that. And Mudasiru Salifu transferred to Al Bakia Saudi Arabia. Says can also abetum. And at the third one, Agadas Richard Bodu Agadas, former captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, no Susikano, Abituma, to say no Kotoko accounts, Muaye de Eja last Friday now Kotoko was in the same place. Yeah, so dear no. Now Kotoko be posu. Now people say, and a beposo the training facility, Papa Beno, share beposo no Kotoko former chairman Dr. KK Sarpong, our club by a friend Asekem. Now on have offer Kotoko the training facility as a training facility as a a division 2 club and now when you're promotion to the division 1 a serious football club or more astroturf and almost our alternative pitch a normal one nina wo now this time Kumasi Asante Kotoko be pre-season or no decided say on be kwa komanda no major facilities no ama Krobia Asante Kotoko nina no is by the decision of the club owner which is Dr. KK Sarpong. And they decided to obey this good to Krobia. Now on to the next one. Eric Bekwena. They say him say Kalu Outtara, the foreign importer Kotoko assign. She say was starting a new life in Kumasi. Kumasi Abrabon et saying Ed. And no na Eric Bekwena. What say Eric Bekwena Okochi the football side be. Okochi Sabranti no. And Eric Bekwena ka say Ohu ono I was our boy no Kalu no. The way I know si born a ball no who player Kalu Outtara say onu ne betima be the next Eric Bekwena. So the season is going to be an exciting season. It's going to be a very, very interesting season. Seeing Kotoko Kalu Outtara ene Vegemo ewe nimu. Finally a crowd of former player Etimabo Brace amani in the club for the Zurich. Yes, it was against Lugano. They all no you wish it all the best. Epacho mabi fa onsia na meda wase bebre ye be hia.